Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to contact Kakaotalk customer service. So guys, let's continue into your Kakaotalk app. Now just tap on the settings icon and then tap on general settings. Scroll down and tap on customer service. And guys, here you can see the pencil icon question, so tap on it. Now tap on question. Now here you will need to make an inquiry, so tap on general and you can select any of them. Now enter the title here and inside of this box you have to fill up all these questions. Now you have to enter your email here and also you can add files here, and then just check this option and tap on submit. Then your inquiry will be submitted. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can contact Kakaotalk customer service very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.